In this next topic, Cybertruck is definitely starting to ramp at a pretty quick pace because now production has hit a new daily high. So let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla deal hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Joe, the drone flyer over Giga, Texas. We've got more pictures of the Tesla Cybertruck, and we've got plenty of Cybertrucks parked back to back to back, ready for maybe final processing or delivery, but they are certainly getting up to a pretty high pace daily. The last number before was like 40 to maybe 45, and now we've got 80 Cybertrucks today on a Friday of all days. So definitely cool to see that Tesla is certainly starting to ramp up production of the Cybertruck. And so now probably if you were waiting for your VIN, I don't know what type of numbers the Foundation series is actually going to be pumping out. I mean, at one point we heard 1,000 units, and now the last we've heard 20,000 units. So it definitely seems like a lot more Cybertruck spottings are happening. You can see here's another post from Gregor Truck from in Castellac, California, or north of Los Angeles, where more Cybertrucks were being delivered. But it seems like a lot of these deliveries are employees only still for the most part. I don't think I've seen an actual customer delivery besides the delivery event that happened early on. And then this was an interesting post from Jeremy Judkins. He posted this: I don't know why Tesla bothers with transporting Cybertrucks. Everyone who's willing to pay $20,000 extra for a Foundation Series Cybertruck would gladly fly to Giga, Texas and drive the Cybertruck home, because he's marking about how when they load the Cybertruck, it can only really fit maybe 3 or 4. And so it's really wasting a lot of space to deliver these Cybertrucks, or maybe it's not illogistical for the shipping of these Cybertrucks. But let me know what your thoughts on it. And then lastly, this is the last post we talked about before, where Cybertruck is rumored to be producing, or at least Tesla is rumored to be producing 20,000 units for the Foundation series. So what we thought might have been rare before might not be as rare, and kind of makes sense because Tesla's going to make their money and sell as many Foundation series trucks as possible. But let me know what your thoughts on it. Let me know what you're thinking. We're going to jump into the live stream comments, but before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Down below the description is a Patreon link where you support the channel and get access to the ultimate Tesla buying guide out there with all the best interest rates for financing your Tesla. So definitely check it out. Patreon link down below in the description.